Welcome back. In the series of videos on Apex development, we have discussed about collection, and in that we have discussed about lists and sets, and in this video we will discuss about maps. So what are maps? Maps is a collection of key value pair where each unique key maps to a single value, and the key and value can be of any data type which we are using, like primitive types, as object types, user defined types, or any built-in Apex types. So how to declare a map? We will discuss it. First of all, you can also say that a map is a kind of dictionary where a key is a word and value is a meaning. So every unique word has a single meaning. So that's it. Now let's declare a map of anything. Let's declare it. Let's first of all comment this part of the code. Map of, let's have map of integer comma string. So the key will be the of type integer and the value will be of type string. Okay, so my map equals to new map integer comma string. Now how to add values in the map? So let's look at some of the methods which are already available in maps. So we will go to here, and now we have already know about clear and clone. So first of all, let's find out the method which will be used to store values in a map. So the method is put. You can see associate the specified value with the specified key in the map. So we will use put, then use the key and the value. So let's have something, my map dot put, and then let's put the key. So key will be 1 and the value will be name of our friends. So first of all, I will use my name. Now my map dot put to, here let's use one more name, Tom. So this is how I have stored two key value pairs in a map. Now how to print those values? So we can use the get methods to print them. So get returns the value to which the specified key is mapped, or null if the map contains no value for this key. So let's use this method. So system dot debug, let's print the my map first. Let's see it can be executed or not. So execute highlighted, and it will, I hope it will print the key value pair. Let's see. So 1 is for Shubham and 2 is for Tom. Now let's try to print Shubham only. So we will use my map dot get and the key which is 1, and it will print Shubham. So let's copy this and paste it, dot get and the key which is 1, and let's execute highlighted. Let me remove this. Debug. So you see Shubham is printed here, and now let's have a look at some more methods. Now let's use a key 3 and see if error is generated or something will be printed or a null will be printed. So use 3 here because we haven't assigned this key to any values. And you see null is printed because this key is not assigned to anything, so it is assigned to a null. So now let's go to our this method, and we have used put all from map. So you basically you can copy a map to this using put all methods. Then you can use a remove methods to remove a specific value, a mapping from the map. So let's use this method, remove. So here is the example of remove method. So if you want to remove something, you have to assign those value which is removed to a variable. So let's do this. So basically it is containing strings, so it is assigned to string. So the value part in this map is string, so it is assigned to a string. We will also use the same technique. Let's use a string something, then my map dot remove, and then the key, which is 2, and let's print if it is removed or not. So we will print something, and let me see, I'm doing it right. Okay, let's execute, highlighted. Let's see the output, and you see Tom is printed. And let's print the map once more, so we can confirm that the element is not in the map. So let's copy this. Let's understand the code. First of all, I have declared a map here, then I have to put it 2 mappings, one for Shubham and 2 for Tom, and then printed the map which will print 1 Shubham, 2 Tom, and then my map dot get 3, it will print null because there is the key 3 is not assigned to any value. Then we are trying to remove an element from the map which is at key 2, so it is printed and is stored in a variable of type string because the value part of a map is of type string. And then we have printed something, the value which is removed, and then we are trying to print the map and see if the value the mapping has been removed or not. So basically we are trying to confirm here, and you see Shubham is existing and Tom is removed from the map. So these are some of the methods in the map, you can use them. Returns a list that contain all the value in the map. So let's use this also. So what it will do is it will return the list. Okay, so let's use the values method of map, and this will the last method which we will discuss here, and after that we will move to the some more topic from the next video. So let's try to understand this. So here it is a map is declared which has a key of type string and value of type string, and there are 2 key value pairs. So key red is assigned to this and key value is assigned to this, and then a list of type string has been declared, and then the values of that map has been put into this assigned to this list. So let's do this. Let me remove this part because we don't need this, and let's declare a list. So list, and we will also declare a list of type string because the value part in our map is of type string. Then here my list equals to new list of string, my list equals to my map dot values, and then debug my list, and let's see if the values are printed or not. Execute, highlighted. Let's get back to our console. See, Shubham and Tom are printed, and you can see the brackets are of normal type, so it is basically a list. So that's it in this video. If you have any doubt, then you can reach out to me on my Twitter handle, which is @Shubham Lashkan. Thank you very much.